time nakalabas with the wheelchair. Agoy, look at my Oppo.
We're going out, guys.
We going out. Where you going?
Maybe ask money.
Huh?
Maybe ask money. Going out.
Thank you for all your prayers. Yan, first day going out. Kaya, gitlof ko diha, kadi pwede. Mutindog ko diha dapit. Giatot na. Saong ka ko ni Kylie.
Mommy,
Kabayad na si Kylie.
it's too hot.
Mall.
Maybe we come back. Okay, let's go.
Careful, Kay.
Hi.
Ay, guy. No, hi, Kay.
Look
Ashe.
right there.
Where you want to dinner? Agoy, gumo ko kulor. I'm not okay. Are you okay, Lula? Slowly.
I already eat.
What do you want to eat?
I said I already eat.
You want McDonald's? Lula will treat you because you push me. Huh?
I said you're right. I say.
Ah? Duha na mi sa wheelchair. Di palupin. Doy kay mami. Where you going, Kay?
Go to McDonald's.
McDonald's?
You say.
Oh, good. Why? Because Kylie is good today, right?
Yeah.
Hmm.
Hey. Hi.
Ay. Thank you, Lord.
Thank you, Lord.
Thank you, Lord.
Thanks, Lord.
Gragi hapon.
Can I see you? Ooh.
Yay.
Oh yeah, oh
Where
yeah.
you want to go?
McDonald's.
I see. What do you want at McDonald's?
French fries.
Huh?
I said French fries. I
French
said
fries? What else?
toy.
Huh?
I said toy. I say
Toys. Where's the McDonald's?
right here. I see it.
I see ya. I know. I see ya. I see ya.
Peekaboo. I
Peekaboo.
see you,
I
McDonald's.
see you, McDonald's. Peekaboo.
Peekaboo.
Sorry. Susil.
Wala man na nailo taon.
Gani.
Anong gay?
Peekaboo.
We're
I
going
see
to the
you.
Big M.
Big M.
Big M. What is Big M?
The McDonald's.
McDonald's. Very bright.
Woohoo!
Very bright. Diri tao.
Dos mo kalataw.
Kay, I want to see.
Barang-barang pandang natin mo doon susuk belai.
How much?
Sige,